Hello, welcome to our open house. I am Addie Beaubrun-Buff and I teach 7th grade math. I wanted to share a little bit about myself just as I did with the students at the beginning of the year. I attended Rutgers University as an undergraduate with a double major in theater and journalism and a double minor in computer science and mathematics. I also earned a Master of Business degree in marketing from Pace University and completed a post-bac program in education at William Paterson University. My interests include the outdoors, baking, and musical theater. This year, your 7th graders are going to be using the Savos Realize online workbook. We will be studying integers and rational numbers, proportional relationships, percentages, equivalent expressions, equations and inequalities, statistics and probability, and geometry. We'll also be using the iReady personalized instruction. Our school day starts at 8:30 with period 1. Period 2 starts at 9:05. Period 3 starts at 9:40. Period 4 starts at 10:13. Period 5 starts at 10:58. Period 6 starts at 11:43. Period 7 starts at 12:30. Period 8 starts at 1:05. And period 9 starts at 1:40. Teachers offer virtual office hours from 2:15 to 2:51. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Wednesdays, we've been having a curriculum day where students have online assignments posted that they must complete that day. In the virtual classroom, students are expected to be on time, enter quietly and put themselves on mute when they enter. They should keep their cameras on so that we can see that they're there and that they are engaged. If they have a question, they should raise their hand or use the chat function. The chat box should be used for classwork and class communications. Students are asked to participate. They should be nice, they should be kind, and they should help each other. Our class follows the same routine every day. They have a Do Now, which is posted in Google Classroom for them, which is a daily warm-up problem. We next check homework and review any concepts from the day before, and then we do a review of that warm-up problem. That's followed by our daily lesson, and then I do a guided practice of the lesson concepts with the students. They then engage in an independent practice or centers or small group work. Lastly, there'll be a closing activity where we wrap up the lesson and an exit ticket. Tips for success. We need to work together to help our scholars develop responsibility and good study habits. In order to ensure that your student does well in my class, please be sure that they come prepared every day. They'll need to make sure that they have their Chromebook charged, that they have a notebook and a pencil with them. Students need to take notes during my lessons and should have a dedicated notebook for math. I prompt them to write vocabulary and other material down while I am teaching, and it's a good place for them to review what they've learned. Daily homework assignments are also given, and those are posted in Google Classroom. These assignments are meant to give students the opportunity to practice skills that have been covered in class. If your student has difficulty with an assignment, please reach out to me. I have virtual office hours at 2:15. I teach 2 grade levels and will alternate the days that I meet with each grade. However, if a student is having difficulty, they are welcome to attend on any day, and I will make time to help them. The internet is a great resource for students that require review. With your supervision, students may access the Savos website to review concepts at home. I also recommend IXL.com and Khan Academy. You should encourage your child to find a quiet place to complete their assignments and study. In many cases, I allow students to retake quizzes if they do not perform satisfactorily. I require students to review material and wait at least one day before I allow a retake. This year, math is being graded with tests, quizzes, independent assignments, and class participation. Our tests count for 20% of the grade, quizzes for 40%, independent assignments for 30%, and class participation for 10% of the grade. It's important that we keep the lines of communication open. Parents can email me at abobronbuff@irvington.k12.nj.us. I will respond within 24 hours. I can also be reached at 973-556-7411. I also invite parents to subscribe to my Remind messaging account, where I post class information including project reminders. The 7th grade code is www.remind.com/join/2E36GE. Students can contact me by sending a comment through their Google Classroom. I will respond to any of their inquiries within 24 hours. I also encourage students to attend office hours at 2:15 should they need any help. I post the access links on Google Classroom daily. I know that we will have a successful year if we all work together to support our scholars. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting with you very, very soon.